Hello, I'm Robert Hiss, Bedford County Administrator, here with you to talk more about the most important Bedford County topics you need to know this week, starting with the coronavirus. The CDC has recently released a change in the recommendation of face masks or coverings. The CDC now recommends for all people to wear a cloth face covering in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain, like grocery stores and pharmacies. This is advised to help slow the spread of the virus and to help people who may have the virus and do not know it from transmitting it to others. The cloth face coverings recommended are not surgical masks or N95 respirators. Those are critical supplies that must continue to be reserved for healthcare workers and other medical first responders, as recommended by current CDC guidance. Cloth face coverings fashioned from household items or made at home from common materials at low cost can be used as an additional voluntary public health measure. Please check our social media pages for information on how to make these masks. Please remember that cloth face covering should not be placed on young children under age 2, anyone who has trouble breathing or is unconscious, incapacitated, or otherwise unable to remove the mask without assistance. This is an important step that we all need to start doing right now. This will be critical to help flatten the curve in our community. I want to talk briefly about our solid waste drop site locations. Many of our citizens are using the time at home, coupled with the nice weather, to do spring cleaning. Hence, we are experiencing unusually high, record-setting volumes of customers using our various drop-off locations. In fact, from April 1st through April 8th, we saw a 30% increase in total tonnage compared to the same time last year. I've received reports of people gathering and generally not waiting their turn to dispose of items, which is making others uncomfortable due to close contact. So when disposing of your solid waste and recyclables, please use caution when around your fellow citizens. Be patient, wait your turn, use social distancing guidelines of at least 6 feet apart to keep you, fellow citizens, and the county drop site workers healthy. On another matter, let's talk about absentee voting. Per the governor's order, the June primary has been rescheduled for June 23rd. That means you now have additional time to apply for an absentee ballot. Please seriously consider this option. It is very easy to apply for an absentee ballot. The most convenient way to do this is visiting the Virginia Department of Election website. On their homepage, you can simply click on the Vote from Home slide and follow the easy-to-follow instructions. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Bedford County Voter Registration Office at 540-586-7649, and they will gladly assist and mail an application to you if requested. Please remember, it's not too late to complete your Census 2020 questionnaire. To date, Bedford County has experienced an above-average response rate, and that is wonderful. As of Wednesday, the national rate was 46%, Virginia's was 52%, and Bedford County's was 54.5%. The only area in our region higher than ours was Roanoke County at almost 60%. Let's continue to be a regional leader and get our people counted. We continue to focus on helping our business community understand what loans and grants are available and how to apply. We appreciate all those businesses who continue to operate in this new world, or if they had to close temporarily, are actively planning their road to recovery. I want to highlight our agricultural community because their work does not stop. Our farmers work hard every day to grow the food we all depend on, and I'm pleased to convey that the federal Paycheck Protection Program under the CARES Act includes agriculture and forestry enterprises, so farmers with employees can apply too, regardless of their revenues. Please visit our website, bedfordeconomicdevelopment.com, and click on the red bar at the top of the screen, and you will find a convenient summary of relief programs available to your business. Finally, I want to extend a special thanks and note of appreciation to all of the Bedford County public servants who are working diligently to respond to the pandemic. I'm very proud of the high level of communication and the timely responses to need and information requests. I've been impressed about how they are not afraid to try new approaches. They have illustrated tremendous professional flexibility, are thinking strategically, not emotionally, and giving of themselves to keep the community and citizens safe, while also keeping an eye looking forward so the county can recover quickly. Thanks again for spending a few minutes of your week with me. Remember to check the Bedford County website and social media accounts for updates and helpful information. Stay safe, be well, and wear face coverings in public. The sooner this curve is flattened, the quicker normalcy will resume.